Alright, let's get it, man.
Okay, I'm pre-siding.
Don't pre-side. I beg. I beg.
No, I'm pre-siding. This is Purrely.
Yo, come on, bro.
I don't like you.
Yeah, this deck is horrible, bro.
I'm mad at you didn't play no side of us on her. You know that haunts me.
Okay, so I know what I have to cut. Yeah, I'll do that.
Are you actually siding, bro?
Yeah, I'm actually siding against you. I already know what I don't want.
You know you can't side, right?
Can't
Game
side on
one?
the first one?
Nah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
No, you're good. You're good. That
My
happened,
bad.
bro. You're good. You're good. I thought you were joking, bro. It's alright. You can't. So game 2 and game 3 you can side, but game 1 you can't side.
Oh, you can't?
Yeah.
You can just take them. He didn't want him, the guy.
Yeah. Don't do that at like a regional, bro. They'll call it out instantly. They'll be like, yeah, give me game 1. Yeah. They'll be like, oh, what are you doing with that thing? Should be crazy. Yeah, but I know you're new to the game, so you know obviously it's just something you learn.
Judge, DQ me?
DQ me? You like these sleeves? I think these are nice, but like they're just the corners. Yeah, the corners just get cut. That's why it's a little bit difficult to shuffle these. High roll sounds good.
Yeah, man.
All right, cool. It's 5. 5. 8. 8. Yo, what is going on, bro?
That's funny.
That is funny. 6. Oh, that's that's Snake Eyes. I'll go first, man.
Crazy.
Come on, bro. Alright, ready to start? Alright, we'll go draw phase. I'm gonna activate Sleepy. And just let me know if you want me to. If you have any questions.
Give me the questions, man.
Yeah, if you have any questions, like if you want to know the cards.
Yeah, I do.
All right, so first time I would take damage from a card effect. I won't take it, and I get to discard and special summon a Purrely or Purrely from my deck. All right, so a discard special Purrely. I'm gonna go Purrely effect. It's gonna excavate 3, and if it's a quick play, I get to add it to hand. Or if as long as it's a spell check.
I know.
Okay.
Spell card that has to do with the Purrely stuff.
Yep. Just give me a cut real quick. I went to deck to summon it.
Okay.
Unless you don't care about that, because I can just keep on. It's really up to you. 1, 2, 3. I hit something. I'm such a good player. Standby. Main phase. Activate the field spell. Then we're gonna normal summon effect. It's gonna let me search for a Purrely spell trap that isn't a quick play. Okay. Or just Purrely card. Yeah, I think it's just card. Anything on res? Good. Okay. Activate my friend. I'm gonna go my friend effect. I pay 500. Then I reveal 3 Purrely cards from my deck, and then you randomly choose one to add it to hand. I'm just gonna reveal 3 of the same. No, I can't reveal 3 of the same one. Let's go. I just revealed it.
It's like a control deck.
Yeah, it's a very control-y deck. Not my favorite. I really like playing OTK decks, but you know, it is what it is. You choose my mans. The rest are shuffled back to deck. I'm gonna go Purrely effect, target to upgrade.
Yeah.
Okay, activate, and I'll chain. Word, you heard that too? The birds chirping? That shit was crazy. Thinking if I want to resolve Sleepy by discarding. I think I will. I'll discard special. I'll go Purrely effect again, excavate 3. Let's give me a nice cut real quick.
Not once per turn?
Not once per turn. These are not once per turn. Yeah, it's once per card.
So it's soft, like with Stratos.
Yeah. Strato's a good card, bro.
It's only good. It's only not good because it's a hero.
Alright, so I missed because I suck. but we can still do something. Special? Effect? Thinking here. 1, 2, 3. I think it should be fine. I really don't have to activate it. End phase, I go street effect target.
It's the drawing card.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So it has 3 under it, so it's gonna draw 3. Alright, go ahead.
Oh, the tokens are level 4. They all make the same
Fucking
number.
deck, dude.
I know, bro. It's a good deck.
No. The only thing I don't like about a deck is that.
Yeah, I know. The draw 3 is crazy. Draw 6 sometime. Go ahead.
Yeah, no, that's just bugging.
That shit bugging.
Alright. I'm going to start off.
Just let me know when you're into standby.
I'm in standby.
Oh, you're in standby? Okay. Hey, you have priority standby if you have
I
anything.
have priority standby?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I'm going to do Forbidden Droplet.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to do this and this.
Targeting these 2? Well, it's
I
only
know-
2 targets.
Huh?
It's only 2 targets. You can't target anything else anyway.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Alright. Want to know some Stratos?
Oh, resolution.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. So we're still in standby.
My bad.
So this would resolve,
Yeah, resolve.
and then still standby. I'm gonna activate Eep on target.
Yes.
So when you activate Droplet and you send this, I can't respond to it, but on resolution I can because it's a new game state.
Okay.
Okay, still standby.
Yes.
You have anything?
No.
I'm gonna go Noir effect, draw one.
Okay.
Noir effect, draw another one.
Okay.
Noir effect, draw another one.
Okay.
And then we can proceed to main phase.
Okay. So I'm going to know some Stratos response.
Thinking, how many cards in hand? You have 2 cards in hand. Stratos effect is good.
It's just a hand.
On resolution, I will draw.
Okey-dokey. Tribute. Special summon. Into, not special.
Yeah,
basic
place.
stun
Yep.
trap. Effect.
I will chain.
Huh?
I will chain. So this will still be here. And this tributes for cost.
Yes.
So I'll chain, I'll target this, is gonna put it back to the bottom of the deck.
Just gonna put it back in the bottom of the deck. Is this tribute for us?
This tributes for cost. And that discards for cost, yeah.
Yeah, it does tribute for cost.
So bottom of the deck, yep.
Okay.
And thinking here, I'm gonna activate Noir again. Same thing, it's gonna shuffle back. So I can target a card on your field or graveyard and put it back to the bottom. I'll just target the malicious.
Okay.
Yeah, good card, bro, good card.
Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna activate Fusion Destiny.
I'll just ash that, man.
Huh?
I'll ash that.
Oh, you have.
Yeah. That's what I just drew good, bro.
No, you didn't. You didn't draw good. You drew 6 cards.
Yeah.
You're always gonna draw good when you draw 6 cards.
You're not wrong, bro. 18,
Not
28.
18. It's half of 18.
Oh, you're correct, you're correct.
Battle phase.
Yep, I'll take the 9.
Okay.
Sure. Huh?
Which one? That's.
It's really good. End phase, I'll go street effect.
Imagine a game where you just. How many hand traps did you do? No, you didn't do. You only did one. Two. You did 2 hand traps.
Yeah, it was good. Draw for turn.
Wait. Don't I have to still tribute for cost?
For what?
Well, not cost, but oh no, like it's the activation, right?
So it's like a spell or trap. If it like disappears before it could resolve correctly, it will just not. It will fizzle. It will just not resolve.
Okay.
All right. So draw for turn. I'm gonna go draw phase. I'm gonna activate a target and I'll discard.
And so I'll basically pop worm on my side and then pop 2 cards on
Special effects.
my target is gonna be 1.
That shit was bugging.
Yeah.
Imagine literally having, and that targets any card, even my graveyard.
Yep. Really good card. I'm gonna go normal summon effect. Just give me a nice cut real quick. this should probably be game. I'm gonna go Purrely effect to upgrade. I'm gonna go pump effect. You hero live this turn? No, right?
No.
No, okay. It's just actually, then it's probably not game.
Huh?
I'm gonna go pretty to upgrade.
Draw one card. You win.
Don't do it, bro. Alright, from here, I'm gonna go.
Actually, I can't probably really.
I'll go beauty effect. I'll send, then I'll attach.
You attach it, so you take my own card. That's right.
Yeah, man. Good card.
Yeah, everything's a good card in that deck. You get to
Thinking.
draw 17 times. You get to fucking.
I'll activate and I'll chain.
You literally attack. Normally decks are good at doing one form of interruption.
Yeah.
This deck
Effect-
is just.
It just does a lot. It does too much, realistically. I'm misplaying a little bit.
We're probably gonna have to ban 8 Purrely because and figure out whichever one they're gonna ban.
He played the traps and all that extra bullshit.
Which one do you think is the most broken?
Which one?
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong.
You
The
think
way
that
that
card?
trap in the mirror, crazy.
Why is it broken?
Cause I get to reveal 3, and it literally, if you remove a card from my field, a Purrely card, I get to add back from the graveyard, like 3 cards, bro. That's broken. And if you,
Add it to your hands?
yeah,
Oh, that's cool.
it's really good. And hitting this to 1 is also really good. Cause I can't do too much with that at 1.
Yeah, but I don't think that should be the case.
Battle?
That'll be like giving it that. How much was that?
11.
Alright.
And this is gonna gain per attach because of this card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I keep misplaying, bro. 5. So he's 17, minus 17. And then attack for 19. Main phase 2. I'm gonna go Zeus over here. Then we're gonna make another Noir up here.
Oh, is that Zeus?
Yeah, man, good card.
Does that activate on my turn too?
Yeah, it's a quick effect. And not once per turn, but it only has 1 attachment. I'm gonna go end phase, activate target street. I'm gonna attach. Where is it? Is it? Oh, what? Where's my 3rd one, yo? Is it on here? 1, 2.
Listen, man. This is what we're gonna do.
Alright, cool.
I'm scooping. I'm just gonna show you my hand.
It was tough, bro. The drop list was nice, but yeah, it just hurts. Drop list isn't very good against his deck.
We really, hey, we don't even know it. And
I can see that. It might be, but I just gotta hold out on it.
If you went, it's good going first. If you're going first, going second is a little bit worse.
Because you already have all your shit on the field.
If you so if you do this, if you had drop list and just send 1 during draw phase, that's fine because then you stop me from drawing maybe 2 or 3 cards. But you have to have another card to go along with it, like maybe a Book of Moon. Then it would be really good.
No, normally that's actually the combo that I was looking for. Is
Yeah.
I get that Book of Moon or any other spell shot like Dark Moon or something, and I just proc it and I don't go negative because I'm activating both effects.
He
You
got
know?
cheat shot.
Yeah, it's really good.
It really sucks when you have to like get rid of cards. That
100%.
What else I got up my sleeve?
I go first.
I'm gonna slide. Is that alright? Unless you're not sliding.
No,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm sorry.
I was about to say you had perfect cards for me, bro. I'm expecting some juicers, man.
If I'm playing it,
Perhaps,
obviously I
maybe
know.
some juicers.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Discuss it, set up my board and then just be like, anything in your draw shifted?
Ram, do that.
Oh, this is game 2.
I got a little bit. He said, I said, woo. Woo.
Yeah, game 1 no, but game 2 and 3 you can.
You gain half.
Alright.
Right?
It's good to know. It's stuff that's really good to know.
I think you should be able to set, like, you know where your opponent's going at. It's like,
Hell no. What? That'd be broken.
how would that be broken?
It's just then it's basically.
More exciting. It's who can decide who will get better. It's
I
like
get it,
both
understandable.
decks playing at the best.
Well, that's what game 2 and game 3 are for. Like game 1 is just how the raw deck like how it's supposed to be. So it's like it's really like it's not really skillful because it's whoever wins dice roll anyways.
Yeah.
So it doesn't really
And it's
matter.
also
but
whoever, like,
whoever's the cooler dude, bro. That's really it. Whoever's the cooler dude.
whoever's the cooler dude.
My bad, bro. Do you mind if I cut the deck before you?
My
draw?
bad.
No, you're
Of
good.
course. Of course. Of course. Always try to prevent cheating in any way. You never know. You never know.
No, I just
No,
like
but you
cutting.
also never know.
Yeah. I don't know. It's like if you're cheating in a children's card game, I think you got other problems to worry about, bro.
Children's game, man. Have you seen the people that play that?
True. I don't think I see.
Children play this game.
I went to a YCS and I think they were having like a dragon duels and I saw the parents sitting on the side. Everybody looks just so miserable, just waiting for kids to play Yu-Gi-Oh. It was crazy. Alright, you choose, man. Who's going
I go
first?
first.
Cool. Good luck, man. I'm sorry, bro. This hand is absolutely busted, man. Oh, don't set, bro, please.
Leave me alone, dude. I'm already mad. Normal summon effect. Response?
It's time to imprint that card.
Okay.
It says on field, yeah. Nothing crazy.
Alright. Ferris effect.
Good card.
Good card. Good card. You know what's a good card? Drawing 7 times. That's a good card.
That is a good card.
That is a good card. Effect? Response?
Summon, it's fine.
Tribute?
Yep.
Response?
Summon.
Yes, summon.
Effect to special, I'm gonna imprint that. Hey man, my hand was kinda nice, bro, I can't lie.
What the fuck do I do? I can't even do anything here, man. Holy Jesus Godmother.
Holy Jesus Godmother is crazy.
Okay, so I'm gonna cry. I can't do that. It's gonna be like double income. Did you sign those in?
No, I made those,
Okay,
yeah.
so you just,
I just drew it. I'm a good player, I'm a good
I
player.
didn't purely obviously have to draw like like half your deck is like hand traps and spells.
Yeah.
Right.
It literally, because you want to draw into those, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, have anything?
It's your turn.
Oh, it's my turn?
I did the,
Alright.
the gesture.
Apologies.
The universal gesture.
Yeah. Standby?
Yeah, man.
Main phase. Normal summon, Purrely effect.
Yeah, man.
Anything on res? Oh, you got a draw and lock bird? Oh, no, scared. Nothing? Oh, okay.
Imagine if I had a draw lock bird.
That would have been pretty good. I'm gonna activate my friend.
Yeah, man.
My friend effect. I'll pay 5.
500? That was 1,000.
Nah, that's 500.
Should be 1,000.
I don't know if it'll really make a difference.
You never know.
It might.
It might actually. 500 is like, it might.
It could come
It
up.
should be half your life points.
Yo, that would be insane. Oh, I'm just gonna reveal
Why not 2,000?
2,000.
2,000 seems okay.
I think I'm good with the 1,000, bro. I'm actually really good with just the 500.
Yeah, of course you are. You're the one playing the deck.
Yeah.
I'm just good with actually no cost. Actually, I'm okay with like, I should just be able to activate the spell card and actually just draw through.
Exactly. I'm gonna just reveal this.
Yeah, man, don't
let's
worry.
add it.
Good.
Very good. I'm gonna
Good card, good
activate. Happy.
Good card.
Thinking. I'll target my friend, and I'll discard the Ash Blossom.
Wow, you had an Ash anyways. to
Yeah,
fuck me
my
up.
hand was crazy, yo. Just give me a nice
Do you
cut real
only
quick.
need one card for a starter?
Sorta.
Or do you
Two cards is better, but one card can get me somewhere.
crazy?
You chain effects?
But I need 2 at least.
Yeah.
You got D barrier in there.
Yeah, I was ready, bro. For you, bro.
Wow.
Activate the field spell. I'm gonna go Purrely effect to upgrade. I'll target.
What's this effect?
So this. Sorry, not Purrely. Purrely effect to upgrade. So I target this.
No, yeah, I know. But what's
Same thing. So I can activate it. I can reveal a quick play from my hand, and it's gonna attach it to this card to make like one of these. That's good. Okay. So Purrely, I'll target.
Alrighty.
Anything?
Yeah, man. I'm just gonna. Barrier XYZ.
I'll just chain cross out.
What does that do?
So I can call a card name, and I have to banish it from my deck, and it will negate the effects of that card. So I'm gonna activate it. I'm gonna call Dimensional Barrier, and I have to banish it from my deck.
Because you have Dimensional Barrier.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. So you're just a loser. Yo, dude, this guy ran the Dimensional Barrier just to stop my Dimensional Barrier with cross out.
I'm a loser, bro. I'm a loser. It can't be
He's
helped,
hurting my
man.
feelings, bro. I can't even play in cards to survive a turn. He drew an Ash Blossom, 2 Impervs, cross out. What else are you gonna have? Oh man, dude.
Enter battle.
Yeah, man.
Attack.
Yeah.
So you're gonna take 200.
Nice, man.
I'm gonna happiness effect. I'm gonna half it. It's gonna let me search.
I'm gonna half my attack.
Yeah.
And then you get to search. You get bonuses. And then you get more bonuses. Yo, this deck is stupid. Not even this deck. He just got.
So he's gonna be at 450.
Yeah, man.
Activate target,
Yes.
and I'll chain. It's gonna stay on field, so it can't be destroyed by battle this turn. I'm probably gonna game, but
Are
I'll
you?
try to match it. Yeah. I'm gonna go. So now he has 1, 2, 3. He's gonna be at 29. 29 into 450.
Imagine actually having 3 hand traps. And then you have that. Did you draw into that like start?
Yeah. My hand was just really good. I had like that and a starter. It was just like really good. I'm gonna attack for 245. Effect is gonna half it again and I get to search. I'm gonna activate target effect. And it's gonna half, so half of 420 is gonna be 225, 220, 1, 2, 3, 4. Attack for 32. No, I think it's 31. Yeah, attack for 31. No, wait, hold on, how much is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is 12. Alright, 12, 42. 32, sorry. 32. And then effect, I'm gonna search again. Sorry, give me 1 second. And this should be game. I'm gonna activate happiness and I'll just chain. And yeah, so it's halved again and I'll just attack again for game. Yeah. Good game, yeah. I don't know, it just hurts, but yeah.